Right. So what exactly is CAD CAM? CAD stands for Computer Aided Design and CAM stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing. In simple terms, CAD is the digital design part where we create our jewelry piece on the computer. And CAM is the manufacturing part where those digital designs get turned into physical objects. Let's take a step back and think about traditional jewelry making for a moment. For thousands of years, jewelers worked with hand sketches, carved wax models by hand, and fabricated metal through manual processes. These methods produced beautiful pieces, but they were time consuming and certain limitations when it came to precision and complexity. Fast forward to today, and CAD has transformed this centuries old crafted into something quite remarkable. Using a specialized software like Rhino, which we will learning in this course, designers can create incredibly detailed 3D digital models of jewelry pieces with precision down to fractions of a millimeter. As you can see on the screen, I'm opening Rhino now, and this is what the interface looks like. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming. We will break it down step by step in our upcoming sessions. The real magic happens when CAD meets CAM. Once we have designed our piece digitally, we can use technologies like 3D printing to create a wax or resin model, which is then cast in precious metal using traditional casting methods. Or in some cases, we might use CNC milling to carve the piece directly. This blend of digital precision and traditional craftsmanship gives us the best of both worlds. Let me show you an example. This ring on the screen started as a digital design right here in Rhino. You can see how we can rotate it, zoom in on tiny details, and even check the exact dimensions. Once finalized, it was 3D printed in wax, cast in gold, and then finished by hand. The entire process combines cutting edge technology with traditional jewelry craftsmanship. The advantages of using CAD CAM in jewelry designs are tremendous. First, there is the precision. We can control every curve, every dimension, and every angle with incredible accuracy. Want your stones to be set at exactly the same height? No problem. Need perfectly symmetrical filigree work? CAD makes it possible. Second, there is the ability to visualize designs before they are made. As you can see here, we can create photorealistic renderings that show clients exactly what their piece will look like before a single gram of metal is used. Third, there is the time and cost efficiency. Changes that would require starting from scratch with traditional methods can be made with a few clicks. And we can create variations of designs quickly to offer clients options. Do you have a ring or another piece of jewelry with yourself right now? Take a look at it and consider how it might have been designed and manufactured. Many contemporary pieces, especially those with complex details or perfect symmetry, were likely created using CAD CAM technology.